Hello lovely people! Welcome to another graphic liner makeup tutorial with face mask. I'm gonna show you how I created this dramatic pink graphic liner eye makeup look, so join me guys. I'm done with my other eye with bushy brows on. And let's do the eye priming with concealer from Catrice Cosmetics and the eye primer from MAC Cosmetics. It's time for the eye makeup look, and I'm using my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette from Morphe X James Charles. Picking up white shade for my eyeshadow base. Picking up orange to create the crease line to intensify the pink shade, and blending it with the pink shade until it smoothens. Once we achieve the color we want for a pink shade, it's time to cut the crease line with the concealer. Extending the winged line outside my brow line to make it a dramatic eye makeup. Time to shimmer the concealer for the crease line, picking up the light orange shimmer. Let's do the outer V line with the same shade for our base crease shade. So I'm connecting here the edges of the outer V. Let's brush off the excess and clean the edges with the makeup wipes and smoothens it with the excess of the concealer brush. And that's it for applying the dramatic pink graphic liner eye makeup look. Time to put the face mask to finish our graphic liner makeup look. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Bye!